Hi, this is Bill. What I will be presenting is Modernize ITSM experience. This is part 2 of the video series. Please continue watching my demo. Now, after a successful request of Joe to the new hire package, Joe reports to his boss and being asked to request for a mobile phone. So now let's do a chat. Hey Nelly, how can we request for a mobile phone? So basically, as you can see, we get to have real-time messaging as well. And Nelly replies, "Oh, it is quite easy. Just go back to the portal, and if you run into problems, just send me a message." So having that confidence, basically, that the new hire employee can manage by himself on doing a request over the mobile phone. So let's try and see how the portal could actually help us. So now going back to the portal, let's go and request something. Now on the left, we have the category section and probably can we help you, departmental service, or choose the hardware. Now I've found what I'm looking for. So we got to have like easy, a very easy to browse navigation, finding what we need on an instant. So let's go to mobiles. And now there's quite a few mobile phones that we would like to choose. And probably as an employee, we would like to find which one is the best for us. And clarifying to our boss wouldn't actually hurt us at all. So let's try that. So finally, what mobile phone, since I am an iPhone? So let's go to Nelly, choose iPhone of your choice. So what are we trying to show here? So we get to have real-time information and availability of choice. So let's go back to Joe's page. Going back to Joe's page, probably I'll go for an iPhone 6. Now it loads, and all of these forms are customizable accordingly on how we want it, having that baseline in full control of our assets. Now, after choosing what we want, let's try to do an order now. And we have that delivery information, and we have the special instructions. So let's say we would like to have a pickup in the office. And let's do a checkout. So in a few simple steps, we managed to create a successful request and identify the SLA, remove the ambiguity by looking at the stages of the workflow. So let's now go back to the home page, and now let's go to the user portal. So as you can see, we have a dashboard of the self-service, and where we could actually have almost the same view and the services as the portal. So let's take out this chat message for better clarity. Now landing to our dashboard, from the left, we can view shortcuts of the service portal, the most top requests, and the incidents by state. Now going to the top right, we get to see the quick links, requested items, and open incidents. Now let's drill down to our requested mobile phone. From here, we were able to see the description of our request. And let's go back. And going back to the page, we get to see the stages. And now the first stage is actually waiting for approval prior to going to fulfillment. So from here, we could also drill down and find how actually the workflow works within the company. The experience is being able to understand where we are at on our request, which resolves ambiguity from our requester. Now let's go down to the My Open Incidents. Let's choose this number. Now, from here, we get to describe who do we need to speak to. For this instance, we have the ITIL user that we can reach out. It's either we create a comment or we will be able to send a quick chat message. So let's try and send one to ITIL user. So that's right. Hi, ITIL. Now let's answer to his message. So ITIL user has received a message. Hi, Joe. Can I have... Now Joe will reply. Now after Joe has provided the reference number, now the agent goes to the incidents page. Do a search and clicks on the ID itself. Now from here, now the agent can actually verify about the information about the ticket and provide information about is it assigned to, if a resolution has been made, or further steps that needs to be done. What we are trying to say here is the fast use of search, being able to find incident ID for quick resolution, providing quick feedback and good employee experience. Imagine the amount of tickets, it may be 1,000 of them, incidents and requests we can achieve or resolve, passing the work to automated workflows and making the most use out of an agent. This is the end of my video series. Please continue watching my video channel.